Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like size, bed type, review, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 5. 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. To category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Reviews and offers are available for this property along with various amenities and payment policies. You can do so through the link provided in the description. For details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, you can contact us by contacting the link. If you have already checked out from this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you want to know this property, subscribe to us and thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.